What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. My name is Koa and you are watching Koa Kicks. So I'm really excited for today's video. We'll be taking a look at the Yeezy Slides in the Onyx colorway. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Alright guys, so these things dropped on Monday, May 16th for a retail price of $70 US, and that price is up. Just a few months ago, it was retailing for a price of $60. I even remember when we first got the Yeezy Slides back in 2019 or 2020, and these things were retailing for $55 US. But since then, the demand has gone up as well as supply chain costs. So it does look like $70 US is going to be the price moving forward. And these are available on the Adidas Confirmed app via raffle, as well as Yeezy Supply, Foot Locker, JD Sports, Finish Line, and a select few sneaker boutiques. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Alright guys, so here we have it. You have your standard brown Yeezy cardboard box with the words Slide over on the front. Over here we have our sizing label Yeezy Slide, and the colorway is Onyx, Onyx, and Onyx. And over here we have our Yeezy Slide drawer opening with the words Yeezy Slide made by Adidas. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and get our first look.
The Adidas Yeezy Slide Onyx combines a stealthy all-black color scheme with the minimalist design of the Yeezy brand's fan-favorite sandal. A single piece of injected EVA foam offers all-day comfort and support. The serrated outsole provides additional cushioning, traction, and a trademark aesthetic. True to the Yeezy brand, the Yeezy Slide features minimal branding with only a single debossed Adidas logo present on the heel of the slide. With summer in full force, the Yeezy Slide Onyx will be one of the most popular choices of footwear for the next few months and beyond.
Alright guys, so having these in hand, the first thing that I notice is that new texture on the Yeezy Slides. It's not quite as off-putting as I was expecting it to be. I do think aesthetically the smooth OG Yeezy Slides look a little bit nicer than these new bumpy textured ones, but feeling it in hand, it doesn't feel so strange. It does actually have the same texture of a lot of slides that came out in, say, the 2000s. I'm curious why the Yeezy brand decided to go ahead and add this texture to the slide. I thought the smooth slide just looks so nice. Maybe this will help a little bit in terms of the grip and the fit a little bit. I guess we'll find out when I go ahead and try these on later. As far as the color goes, it's not quite as dark as I was expecting it to be. I was expecting it to pretty much be all black, but I will say it is probably closer to a dark charcoal or ash gray than it is to a pure black, but it is the closest thing that we've received to an all black Yeezy Slide. And you know, the Yeezy brand likes to play around with their different shades. I'm curious if we will get a darker all black slide in the future or if this is it. But I will say it is a very nice color. It's super wearable, and I think this will be a very popular Yeezy Slide colorway moving forward. Anyways, let's go ahead and try them on and get some on feet looks. Alright guys, so having had these on feet, let's talk about comfort and sizing. So as far as sizing goes, I think they fit pretty similar to the other Yeezy Slides that I've had in the past in that they run a little bit small. So you'll want to go one size up from your regular Yeezy size. For instance, I wear a size 9 across the board in all of my Yeezys, but for the slides I go up to a size 10 and they fit me perfectly. If you're in between sizes, you'll have the choice. You'll definitely want to go up to the nearest full size, but you may even want to go up 1.5 sizes. It just depends. It won't hurt you to go bigger on these slides because they do have a very snug, secure fit, but if you end up going too small in your size, you'll definitely regret it with the Yeezy Slide. So as far as comfort goes, if you've never owned a Yeezy Slide before, just know that these things are super comfortable, and I will say that they've gotten even more comfortable since the original Yeezy Slides. Those things were a little bit harder, still super comfortable, but the newer Yeezy Slides are just a lot squishier. It seems like the EVA foam has gotten softer and more cushiony, and I can confirm they're comfortable both with and without socks, so you can rock them either way depending on your preference. But overall, I just think that the Yeezy Slide is such a great piece of footwear, perfect for chilling around the house or in the backyard or making that quick run to the grocery store. You just slip them on real quick and you're good to go. So if you're a Yeezy fan and you don't already own a pair of slides, I don't know what you're waiting for. You definitely want to get at least one pair of these in your collection. Let's take a quick minute to talk about resale. So I was looking at resale prices just before this, and the resale prices aren't actually that crazy on this colorway, which I think suggests that there's a lot of pairs of these in circulation. I think Adidas and Ye knew that this was going to be a popular colorway, so there were a lot of pairs that were produced and a lot of people got their hands on these. Of course, with anything Yeezy related, a lot of people are going to take L's, but I think a lot more people took W's on these Yeezy Slides than usual. In fact, this is the first pair of Yeezy Slides I've hit on since back in 2020 before the Adidas Confirmed app. So resale prices on this right now are currently right around 150, maybe going up to 200 in certain sizes, which really isn't bad for a Yeezy Slide. In the past, other Yeezy Slide colorways have been over 200. I think I picked up a pair of the Inflame Oranges for 200 or 210 on the resale market because those were just in super high demand, and I don't think there was a ton of quantity on those. If you did catch that W and you're looking to just turn these around for a quick profit, right now it's not a bad idea to turn these over real quick. You would make some decent bread on that sale. I would honestly say I don't recommend these for a long-term hold because I think this is a very popular colorway, and I have a feeling that Adidas will continue to restock these every so often the same way they've done with the pure colorway. And if they continue to do restocks, you already know what that does to the resale prices. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. Go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below if you picked up one of these two colorways of the Yeezy Slide, and go ahead and let me know which one of these two you prefer, as well as which color Yeezy Slide you'll be rocking in the summer of 2022. Anyways, thanks again for joining me. My name is Koa and you've been watching Koa Kicks, and I'll catch you guys next time.